Are ongoing over the horrific case that transpired in RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Bengal's Minister Chandranath Sinha has now given out a controversial statement with regards to the protest which is going on over the RG Kar horrific case. He has said that people humiliated actress Rituparna Sengupta when she came to attend the movement. In the name of this movement, intoxicated gundas of CPM and BJP are roaming around on the street. Let's listen into what the minister exactly said, and then we'll bring in some more inputs with our editor East, Kamalika Sengupta.
ঋতুপর্ণা এখন জনপ্রিয় বাংলার নায়িকা, তিনি আন্দোলনে গেছিলেন। সেখানে আন্দোলনে গেছিলেন শ্যামবাজার থেকে শুরু করে সমস্ত জায়গায়। আমরা কি দেখলাম? ঋতুপর্ণাকে অপমানিত হতে হলো কিছু মাথা। তাহলে যারা মাতলামো করছে সিপিএম এর ঝান্ডা নিয়ে, বিজেপি ঝান্ডা নিয়ে, তাদের আমাদের বাংলার মানুষ ক্ষমা করবে না, তারা বাংলার মানুষ প্রশ্রয় দেবে না। এইভাবে আন্দোলনের নাম করে গুন্ডামি, এই কারণে আন্দোলনের নাম করে যারা মদ খেয়ে এসে আন্দোলনের নাম করে।
Kamalika, first Trinamool Congress's MLAs. Now the minister has also given out a controversial statement with regards to the students protesting on ground at this point of time with regards to that horrific case. How exactly the Students Association is responding to all of these allegations coming their way?
They are very strongly reacting to all this, and they are continuing with their protest. They are not showing much of concern, because they are saying that they will say all these things. The Trinamool MLAs and ministers, they will say all these things. It doesn't matter, because they are anyway, they are doing their protest against these ministers and MLAs. But the question is, the way we are seeing the Trinamool Congress MLAs and ministers, they are reacting. Even when Mamata Banerjee has said that she supports the doctors' movement, even when Abhishek Banerjee comes up with the tweet stating that nobody should criticize the doctors or the intellectuals who are doing the protest, there, Lovely Mitra, from Lovely Mitra to Udayan Guha and now to Chandranath Sinha, the comments which they are made here, Chandranath Sinha has clearly said, he has referred to the incident where actress Rituparna Sengupta, she was humiliated the day she wanted to come for the protest. The protesters, there were some local people who protested and she had to go back. Everybody has condemned this, but at the same time pointing that incident, he has also mentioned that the people who are doing protests, they are all BJP and CPM, and they are intoxicated, they are gundas there. Now that is a controversial statement. When the party is controlling things, trying to control things, they are doing the damage control. At that point of time, such statements from responsible ministers are really uncalled for, and this is absolutely, this will definitely draw attention of the people, of the protesters, because here it's not only the students, it's not only the political parties, but the common man is in road. Every night they are reclaiming nights. There are hundreds and hundreds of people on the road without any political banners. So they are also getting irritated with this type of comments from people who are in power.
Right, Kamalika. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more details through the day over all of those developments. Right now, shifting focus to an unfortunate news piece now coming in from the